Oh hi, you click for the profits, right? Let me tell you this. You did a great thing, my friend. Grab your notebook and let me take it from here. So, shall we start? We have logged in our TradingView.com accounts and we will add our indicators one by one together. So now let's go to Indicators tab and search for Optimized Trend Tracker, and you will see indicator from Kivanc Ozbilgic. Click that your chart. And the second indicator that we need is Donchian Trend Ribbon, and you will see the indicator from Lonesometheblue. Click that your chart. Now we have add all our indicators and we will continue with the settings of the indicators. I know that you are wondering the backtest results of this strategy. If you want to backtest this strategy or any strategy you like, I am strongly suggest you use TraderEdge. That is my favorite backtesting platform in the market. It's a great platform to test all your trading strategies easy like 3 to 1. TraderEdge offers 7-day free trial, and if you sign up now with the link in the description, you will get $470 worth of trading course and backtesting guide content for free. Click the link in the description to get all those content. Let's continue with the settings of the indicators. So first go to Optimized Trend Tracker and change your OTT period to 2 and change your OTT percent to 1.4 and close the bar and go to Donchian Trend Ribbon settings and change channel period to 20. Now I am using 15-minute time frame, but you can use it on 5-minute, 10-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour or 1 day. And this strategy works perfectly with forex trading, crypto trading, and of course stock trading. Now we will trade today SPY on 15-minute time frame, and SPY is S&P 500. This is a live market, and now S&P trading at the levels of $400, and we get a buy signal from the Optimized Trend Tracker. What we do with that signal is very easy. So when you get buy signal from the Optimized Trend Tracker, you will always go and confirm that signal with Donchian Trend Ribbon. So we will come down and see if the Donchian Trend Ribbon is green. If that is green, you can enter long position. With that position, we could make nearly 2.3% pure profit, and not bad for 15-minute time frame. Again, we got sell signal here. What we do? We will go down and check with the Donchian Trend Ribbon. It is red, so we can enter short position. So for the buy position, everything must be green, and for the short position, everything must be red. And for the take profit, let's say you entered this position. Why? Because we got the sell signal, Donchian Trend Ribbon confirm us, it's good to go, we can enter short position. You will take your profit when you get buy signal from the Optimized Trend Tracker, and this position could give us 1.6% pure profit. Again, congratulations. I know your next question, what is our stop loss? Our stop loss is recent resistance line, which is here, and I would like to show you position that with no confirmation. What we got? We got a sell signal here, but Donchian Trend Ribbon is green. So it means that there is no position, no confirmation. We will not enter any position. If the Donchian Ribbon was red, we could enter position. I am thinking that you have already understand what I am talking about. That was a nice strategy. I hope you enjoyed it. Before you leave, hit that like button and consider watching that video. It will help you a lot also.